Hi YouTube, this is part 3 of my model narrowboat build. Now, if you remember, the last problem I had was to cover in the motor and stuff in the stern with rear decking, but I didn't want to show screws, and as you can see I've arrived at a solution. It's being held down by these bollards that I've turned up, and also the points for holding down the rear rail. Seems to have worked out quite well. As you can see, I've also put the tiller arm on, which goes down to the rudder. Sorry, it's a bit shaky. I'm trying to hold it by hand this time. So the next problem will be probably finishing off the servo, the rudder servo, putting that in. That would be the rear end pretty much done, and then I'll turn my attentions to the bow, which is looking a bit sorry for itself at the moment, and see what I can do there. So just a quick one this time, to show you that rear end that I've done on the stern of the boat. And talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.